Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. We are here at the Beverly Road Roadtest site, one of the new sites that they're open at the in the New York area right after the pandemic. We've been having a lot of confusion with the student not knowing the good thing there are for them to do here when they are at the Beverly Road Roadtest site. Today, while I'm here with a student waiting to do the test, it's a little bit raining out here today, but it's not much of an issue. As long as you know what you're doing, it shouldn't be a problem, right? So I said, let me give some printers while we're waiting for the DMV examiner to come out before the road test. The student is next to me. She will be doing a road test in a few, and they're starting here at 8:30. We got it here a little bit early. It's 8:03. Make sure we get it going today, all right? So one of the key problem we've been having with the student here at the Beverly Road Roadtest site is the left turn they have to make at this traffic light right up here. If you guys notice, there's a traffic light right up here. Is the first left turn they'll make with you as you begin the test, taking off from the cemetery. Right next to the cemetery, they'll hit you with a left turn here. A lot of students having difficulty understanding. Either they have to pull all the way out to the middle of the street to make that left turn. Also, they have to pay good attention with the oncoming traffic. Oftentimes, the students think that they have enough time to beat the traffic on making the left turn. That's when trouble kicks in. Remember, as you take driving, you have to socialize with other people, with drivers as well as pedestrians, right? So if you're making that left turn, you see traffic coming on your block. The term of rules is that if any traffic coming on your block, you cannot take that left turn. I cannot stress that enough. We have a video on the channel that explaining those things, how to make left turn. Nevertheless, when they are coming here at the Beverly Road Roadtest site, a lot of students fail the test because the block is so short, right? The block is so short, the student thinks that because the light is right there, they have enough time to make the turn. 10 out of 10, they will fail you the left turn. No rush, no rush, no rush. Take your time on those turns, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Remember, it's not about washing the road test, it's to deliver to the lacking of the examiner. It's never about driving, it's how they want you to drive to pass the test. The minute you understand that, your passing your road test is one appointment away, all right? If you're having trouble understanding those things and you live in the New York area, please feel free to look our website, pierrepaul.driving.com, where you can give us a call and do a mock test so we can definitely evaluate your performance to see if you're road test ready. Because many times you probably think you're road test ready, however, but you need to get the opinion from a professional to make sure that we give you the right evaluation to know if you're ready to take your road test. Once again, Beverly Road Roadtest site, Brooklyn, New York. I'm here with a student. She's ready to do a road test or whatnot. Then I said, let me bring this up because it will be a little a clearance for you as well if you're ready to come take this road test here at Beverly Road Roadtest site in New York City. And if you I will ask the student a few questions, anything that bothering her, if she will, so we can go ahead and see where that go from there. And if you have any question, put it in the comment below. Any website you want us to talk, you can put it in the comment below, as we got most of our question answered to the question you guys put in the comment. All right, so so let me turn it over to the student. Now we're here with one of our students here. Hi, how are you doing today? Good. Oh, sorry. Good. Thanks for asking. We're in the car here, see? As you can see here, she's with us here in the car, ready to go for a road test at the Beverly Road Roadtest site. Did you have any question for me regarding the site as you're about ready to take the road test, or everything is straightforward? Any question, you can bring it on. I'll answer the question for you. As I was telling you, as I was clearing the left turn here, which is gonna come to the test at 110%. Besides that, did any concern, anything that you want me to answer, or you straightforward, you ready to go for a road test? Any question you want to ask me? Any question, you can throw it out there. If you have any question, you're ready to go, that's perfectly fine. I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. Did you understand everything that I said earlier regarding that left turn that's gonna come up, right? That's right. Remember, take your time. It's no rush, all right? No rush. Take your time. It's not about washing the road test. It's about delivering to the thing that the examiner will ask you. Because if it was about driving, you would have not been here today to take the road test because you're driving good enough. Oftentimes, many people that are failing the road test are those who think that they already know how to drive. They come here to impress the DMV examiner in a wrong way. Doesn't go that way. They tell you to make a left turn, you know how to make your left turn. They ask you to make a right turn, you know how to make your right turn. They ask you to make your three-point turn, you know how to do it, right? Folks, as you guys can see, she's here, ready to go. She's all ready to pass her road test or whatnot. I just wanted to make sure that I cover this thing with you and I bring this to your enlighten in the event that you ever have any question. Once again, just been here with Pierre Driving School. If you need any help, driving related, and you're in the New York area, in the metropolitan area, please feel free, give us a call, or you can check our website, pierrepauldraving.com. We will be more than happy to help you with all your driving endeavor. Remember, it's not how you drive, it's how they want you to drive. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Care now.